Hey everyone! Just wanted to take a moment to say a special thank you from Earth Nature Creations for reaching 800 subscribers. We are truly grateful for your support. As a token of our appreciation, we have a nature gift to share with you today. But before we get to that, did you know that hummingbirds are some of the most fascinating creatures on Earth? Here are 5 quick facts about them. Fact number 1, did you know that hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backward? How cool is that? Fact number 2, hummingbirds have the fastest metabolism of any animal, beating their wings up to 80 times per second. Fact number 3, there are over 300 different species of hummingbirds, each with their own unique colors and patterns. Fact number 4, hummingbirds can hover in midair, thanks to their incredible wing muscles. And finally, fact number 5, hummingbirds play a crucial role in pollination, helping to spread plant species far and wide. So there you have it, 5 fascinating facts about hummingbirds. We hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible creatures. If you haven't already, please join us by subscribing to Earth Nature Creations for more nature lovers facts and free nature documentaries. And remember, nature is a gift worth protecting. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more amazing content.